Hey everybody, it's Dr. Pickett, your chiropractic personal trainer, and welcome to my video channel, Making Better Bodies. Today I want to go over with you how to use a scale. Yes, this scale. Okay? Almost all of us have a scale, and some of us like to use it, and some of us don't know where it is to use it. So I just want to go over how to use this tool efficiently so that it can help you and help me to help you be on the path to losing weight and getting the ideal body you want. The best way to get the most out of this is to make sure that the scale is on firm flooring. Now that your scale is on firm ground and you've balanced it by adjusting the knobs underneath it, here are some steps to prepare to make sure that you're getting accurate numbers on your scale. The first thing you want to do is void before you go on the scale. And voiding is otherwise known as going to the bathroom and urinating. Number two is wear your birthday suit, otherwise known as be butt naked. Okay, the closer you are to being in your natural state, the best likely you're going to get the results you're looking for. Another tip for a successful weigh-in is be balanced when you're standing on the scale. Make sure your feet are evenly placed on either side of the center of the scale, and make sure you're not listing forward or leaning to either side of, which could skew the results that you're looking for on the scale. And lastly, probably the most important is be consistent with the day and the time that you're doing your weigh-in. If you started on a Tuesday at 7:30 in the morning, that's your reference point every time you weigh in is Tuesday at 7:30 in the morning. Try not to weigh in at obscure times. You're going to have different results because your body changes in weight throughout the day based upon how much you're drinking as far as water or how active you are as far as exercise. Your weight will change incrementally. So if you're trying to be consistent with determining what your ideal body weight is, make sure you're weighing on the same day and time. So these are just some tips. I mean, a lot of clients ask these questions of me, so I just want to share with you some ideas on how to use your scale properly. And again, I'll cover it again. Make sure you have firm ground. Make sure that you're using a leveler to see that the scale is balanced. Make sure you go to the bathroom prior to your weighing in. Make sure that you're wearing your birthday suit or in your underwear if need be when you're weighing in. Make sure you're balanced when stepping on this scale. And again, as I stated before, make sure you pick a consistent day and time. If you like the content in this video, please subscribe to my channel.